Hey guys! Today I'm gonna show you how to make a healthy green salad, and it's not your leafy salad, it's a healthy broccoli salad. It is full of the usual suspects, a little bit of crunchy bacon, dried cranberries, and sunflower seeds, but it's made with lighter Greek yogurt dressing. It is not the salad I grew up with in Ukraine, but I totally fell in love with my version and my kids love it too, and I hope you will too. Let's do it. We start with the bacon, and to cook it, I like to bake it because I do not like to cook bacon on the stove because it creates a lot of mess that I don't like to clean. So line large baking sheet with parchment paper. That's for easy cleanup that you can just dispose of with the fat. Add 5 to 6 strips of bacon. You can use turkey bacon. I'm using regular bacon. Bake it at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. If you have air fryer, that's my, I would say, most favorite way to cook bacon. Then you grab medium to large salad bowl, and I have to say that this healthy broccoli salad comes together in one bowl. Even better. We add Greek or plain yogurt. It doesn't really matter which one you use. And then we add mayo. I like to use avocado oil mayo. Creamy Dijon mustard, you can use grainy or you can use regular mustard, no problem. And here I'm giving a shake in a jar. That's my apple cider vinegar from a giant jug from Costco, so I'm just shaking up the mother. That's the health benefit. Salt, pepper, I like to use Himalayan pink salt in all my recipes. It's more nutrients and vitamins. And give it a whisk. You can set the dressing aside, or you can refrigerate it while you prep broccoli, because this is what we're going to do now. Here I have 5 cups of broccoli florets or florets. I think it's florets. Correct me if I'm wrong. And please note how I chop it. I don't take chef's knife and go all over the board and chopping the broccoli because it creates a lot of mess. I carefully cut into each stem into bite-sized pieces without disturbing those little flowers, whatever they are. You can also tear with your hands. Then you add the broccoli into the bowl with your yogurt dressing. Now it's time to chop the onion, and I really like to use red onion in salads, not the white onion. Red onion is way more mild. And whenever I chop the onion, there is always that thin film that I remove, and the outer shell as well. If you don't, the onion is kind of like slippery and it's hard to hold it together and cuts through that skin. So it just becomes harder to chop it. So here we have finely chopped. That's what you are looking for. And take your time, don't rush. Just like me, sometimes it works better, sometimes it does not. Now your red onion is chopped and you add it to the bowl with broccoli florets. And time for sunflower seeds. And I happened to buy this sunflower seeds already roasted, and it was a good deal. So, but if yours are not roasted, you can give them a quick toast in a skillet. Add dried cranberries or raisins, whatever you like. Here I had sweetened cranberries, would be nice and sweetened, healthier, but those are hard to come by where I am. And this is just regular cheddar cheese. You can use any cheddar, you can use white cheddar, as long as it has nice sharp taste. Our bacon is ready. We remove it from the oven. Oh, look at this crispy beauty. Transfer to drain fat on paper towel lined plate and discard the parchment paper with the fat. Now you can chop the bacon, or if it's crispy, mine was crispy enough, I crumble it with my hands. And look at this beauty, so much color and still so much healthy goodness. That's a giant bowl of broccoli, and if a little bit bacon and cheese makes us eat a pound of broccoli, so be it. That's my healthy broccoli salad. We all love it. You can enjoy it right away, but I personally like to refrigerate it for a couple hours or even better overnight, and the flavors really marry each other and come together. I hope you enjoyed this healthy broccoli salad.